Dear students, today we will discuss about the digital electronics and logic gates. First of all, here we will discuss about there are two signals before going to study about the logic gates, and those are called as the analog signal and digital signal. So we'll discuss about the analog signal. Suppose here we have the time on a y-axis and we have the voltage or current amplitude on y-axis. The waveform is like this. So this type of, because with respect to time the voltage or current amplitude varies continuously with respect to time, those type of signals are called the analog signals. In the case of digital signals like this, in the time, this is the voltage or amplitude, current amplitude. So the signal will be like this. So all the states, these states are called as the ones. These states like this called as the zero state, 1 1 1. So this type of, in digital electronics we use only two levels, either 0 or 1 voltage or current, as shown in this figure. This is called as the digital signal. Then we will jump into what is meant by logic gates. So we'll talk about the gates later. What is meant by logic? A logic gate is a digital circuit that follows certain logical relationship between input and output voltage or current. They control the flow of information. So here we'll see there are two input signals, I1 and I2, which are fed to one circuit, that is a gate. Then it will produce some output. So I will give some two inputs to the one of the gate, then it will produce the output. There is some information, that there is some logical relationship between the two inputs and it will produce the output. This is called as a logic gate. So where can we use these logic gates? Logic gates can be used in calculators, digital watches, computers, robots, industrial control systems and the telecommunications. That is about the logic gates. Suppose here, what is in daily life also we are using logic gates. Suppose when you take the electric bulb switch, so we have the switch like this. This is off switch is like 0, on switch is 1. When you switch on the light, then the logic gate will works and it will produce the output. When you switch off the light, then logic gates will be output will be 0, then it is off. Now what is meant by a gate? We'll talk about the gate. It is a circuit that follows certain logical relationship between input and output voltages, and these are called as the logic gates. So I have the gate over here. There is some internal the logical relationship between so what is the relationship between input and output, and this logic gate will be process that inputs and it will produce the output. There we will define the own logic inside the gate. So that is called as a gate. So we have the common logic gates. We have some common logic gates are there. Those are called as the NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate and NOR gate. So these are all the 5 gates are the common logic gates. So we will explain each and every gate, what is the symbolic representation and what is the output it will produces by using the truth table. Okay, first we'll go for the NOT gate. Okay, so what is the symbolic representation of the NOT gate? Like this, we have a bubble over here. So this is my input A and it will produce the output Y. So here, so the output from the NOT gate will be A bar. This is called as a bar, means like inverted output. So